Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change default applications on your OPPO A6x 4G smartphone. First, you have to open Settings application on your phone and then scroll down to Apps menu in here. In Apps menu, we're gonna have to open Default Apps and then select a default application for each kind of activity on our phone. For example, the browser application. If you go to the browser application, you'll be able to pick between, in my case, Chrome or default internet browser. Now, if you want to use another browser as your default browser application, first you're gonna have to install it on your smartphone, and then you'll be able to select it in this menu. The same for the phone application, SMS application, wallet, etc. And here you can choose how you want to open links. So we can use instant apps to open links through the applications, even if they're not installed. If they're not installed, you'll be transferred to the Google Play Store page. Or if you want to just open links using your browser, then switch this toggle to the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.